Hey there! Welcome back! Today we're checking out restaurant Tycoon Deluxe, and apparently I'm supposed to run a 5-star Italian restaurant. Beautiful kitchen, shiny appliances, lots of potential, which means I'm definitely going to ruin it. First order. Table 1 wants spaghetti carbonara. Easy, right? Except when I try filling a pot. The water clips straight through the bottom and floods the floor. Cool, we now have moist ambiance. I go to add pasta, but instead, I throw the entire box across the room. Now there are 50 pieces of spaghetti scattered everywhere. Rustic, artisanal, floor-to-plate experience. Stunning. I pick up the pasta one by one, like some sad spaghetti goblin, and toss it into the pot. Which isn't even boiling. Perfect. Carbonara soup, it is. Then I realize I can just carry a pot of boiling water around like a weapon. Amazing! Health inspector? Never heard of him. So I start experimenting. Bacon, eggs, cheese, pizza, all in one pot. cuisine. The game says, raw ingredients detected, but I detect innovation. Eventually, the pot catches fire. Excellent. I pick it up like an Olympic torch and start casually walking around my burning restaurant. Customers stay seated like nothing is happening. Table 3 is on fire, but still politely waiting for their lasagna. Then I discover something incredible. You can cook food directly on plates. No pots, no pans, just pure audacity. I build a tower of plates and raw meat over the stove like some culinary Jenga. It collapses immediately. There's a steak on the ceiling. Don't ask me how. At this point, I decide to stress test the game. I accept every order. We're at 47 active tickets. I buy 17 more stoves and place them everywhere. On tables. In the bathroom. Blocking the entrance. This is no longer a restaurant. It's a stove showroom. I turn all of them on. The frame rate begs for mercy. Frozen pizzas everywhere. Half of them burning. One of them somehow cooking on a customer's lap. Then the warning pops up. Health inspection in 30 seconds. I try to hide the fires. Push a burning table into the freezer. Doesn't work. Fire and ice do not cancel out. 10 seconds left. New plan. Build a stove fortress around the inspector so they can't reach anything. Genius. They still fail me. Biological hazard. -2 stars. Didn't even know you could go negative. But honestly, we accomplished something beautiful today. We didn't serve a single meal. Half the restaurant is ash. There's pasta on the walls. And we owe the government money. But we had fun. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this chaos, hit like and tell me which game I should destroy next. And remember, if you can't stand the heat, buy 17 more stoves.